Hey Lake of the Ozarks, Ryan Schaffner here with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and I'd like to show you around 640 Beauty Road. This house has been totally updated, is being sold turnkey, and has some major updates, including a new roof and a new septic, so you don't have to worry about some of these major expenses. Attention to detail is evident in this home with several maintenance-free updates, and you will love this awesome bunkhouse. Summer is almost here, so if you'd like to take a look at this lakefront gym, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll set up a private showing for you. Thank you and have a great day.